many promises, no grand vows. We simply endure today together. We walk side by side all the way to here. Even without words, it was enough, so that when the day comes, one of us goes ahead. We won't be afraid to remember this road.